Looking for Magformers magnetic toys to buy on Black Friday? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best deals you should consider. And the best part? We did all the work for you. Just click this link below and get real-time prices and discounts on your favorite products. Number 1, perfect for STEM education. Learn shapes, colors and how to build from 2D to 3D, by Magformers. Number 2, build your dream car with the XL Cruiser car set. Create zippy, colorful cars that are durable and fun to play with. Special silver bordered pieces enhance your designs and give all your models a super sleek look. Another great product by Magformers. Number 3, Magformers Vehicle Power Construction Set, 47 pieces. Early Black Friday deals now available online. Click the links below and get yours. You can also click Add to Cart links, and save for later.